So you want to fix negative Glassdoor reviews. Hi there, my name is Nadernejad, and I'm the director of Nadernejad Media Incorporated, an online reputation management firm specializing in helping people outrank negative content on Google, but also fix negative reviews, help people create better first impressions, and help organizations better connect and influence their stakeholders. Now let's talk a little bit about how to fix Glassdoor reviews. I've worked on a few campaigns like this one. I've worked namely with iTutor Group, one of China's leading online education companies, and I know for a fact when you're going for financing or investors are taking a look at your company, or there are impressions that you need to manage, that negative Glassdoor reviews don't look so good. Employee satisfaction, the ability for a corporation to be bound together and to follow the same principles and rules is so important. So I understand that. So let's talk about a few strategies. The number one is an internal communications plan. And what this is so good for is getting people to leave positive reviews on your Glassdoor page. Now, how do you do this? Well, the best thing is not to send a company-wide email. The best thing is to connect with your individual teams, and after the COVID-19 pandemic, a lot of us are going to video calling, to do video conferencing. Well, the best part about that is if you manage a team, or if you are higher up in an organization and you oversee or manage, different managers who oversee, groups of individuals, what I recommend you do is reach out to them. Have each one of those managers coordinate their teams to leave positive Glassdoor reviews. Ask them, conduct a survey, and say, how is your job satisfaction? How are things going? And then send along a link or a QR code or a link that everybody can go to in order to leave a Glassdoor review, and tell them about all the things that you're aiming for in the company. Please leave an honest Glassdoor review. We're aiming for higher reviews because it's really going to help us get more investment and grow the company. And you likely have people in your company that want the company to be prosperous. I mean, if they've left or they're angry or they're not going to leave a good review, but if they see themselves at your company for a long time, or if your company is providing their bread and butter, chances are that if you ask them to leave a review, it's really going to help. So I would stress that communication strategy needs to be very individual. It needs to be very personal. And the best thing to do is have somebody that employee loves or trusts or care about solicit the positive review. So you don't want to go up to every employee as the CEO and talk to, it's not going to happen anyway, but I'm saying you don't want to go to people you don't know, or don't speak with them on a daily basis, or people you haven't built as much rapport. Hopefully you're building rapport, but you want somebody on the team that works closely with them every day, but in a slight position of power to ask and solicit that review. Obviously we're not pressuring anybody, but it's very important to have it done that way. And done in a strategic manner, we can help you coordinate that and roll that out. We can help you lead focus groups and focus sessions in order to better influence the outcomes for your Glassdoor reviews. So that's what I recommend you do first and foremost. Second thing is to start with your own review. You might think it doesn't matter, but it certainly does. Go and leave a transparent review about working at your company, even if you're higher up, and talk about why you enjoy it. Another thing you can do is hire people on contract, and this is a very strategic method. Hire people on contract to develop positive articles or positive content, feel-good content. Right? Hire them for a duration of 1 to 2 months. It's easy to keep someone happy for 1 to 2 months. Lead a campaign where you keep those people entertained for 1 to 2 months working for your company on contract. Let them know at the beginning there's no renewal, but what we hope to do is we hope to give you a wonderful experience working at this company on this positive campaign. All right? Tell them it's about reputation. Hire 2, 3, 4, 5 people if you can, right? It's easy to keep someone on retainer for a couple of months. Once they're finished, when you offboard them, give them a wonderful package, thanking them for their work. A lot of people, you'll be surprised in this sort of economy, is very open to gig work, and then ask them to leave a Glassdoor review on their experience. As long as you've kept them happy and you survey them throughout the process and you give them a wonderful exit package of some sort, you're going to have positive Glassdoor reviews. That's the second strategy. And there are plenty more strategies, right? And we can talk about those as well, especially in emergency situations for fixing Glassdoor reviews. But I look forward to hearing from you. I have my WhatsApp down below. I'll get your message instantly. We have a US number, a Canadian number, a free ebook, a 7-page guide on fixing your reputation, blog posts, 75 videos on this channel. I'm available to help you, and I love this stuff. Even if you just want to reach out and talk about your Glassdoor reviews, your online reputation, about improving your impression on search engines, I'm here to help you. Again, my name is Nadernejad, and thank you for watching.